For this look, I started with Golden Hour. It's a shimmery gel from Fuzion that has a beautiful sheer tone to it. And I'm going in here with the glass gels from the Smoke and Mirrors collection. I used 2 tones of the purple for the flower, and I'm using 2 tones of the green for the leaf work. Once I was happy with the design, I'm going back in after it's been cured with my black paints. Now I'm using this to create all of the detail in the flowers as well as in the leaf work. I like to use my striping brush or detail brush to create that perfect thin line. Now I'm going to go back in with my detail brush and the same technique around each of the leaves to give that definition and make the design stand out. Now I'm going back in to give it those details that really make it look like stained glass. So I'm using my black to go around the outside of the nail to give it that nice frame, and making sure I go with really thin lines to create the segments of the stained glass. Now there's no right way to do this, so just go with what feels good and what makes your design stand out. You can see here I've created 2 looks using the same technique. And once they're topped with that glossy finish, that sheer effect is just absolutely beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you think.